Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
Now this channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. Now if you're already a subscriber, we love you and we thank you so much for your support. Here's another tutorial we're going to recreate so we can update our video quality. So we hope that you can understand this better.
So today we're going to be showing you guys what we call a Dutch 4-strand fishtail braid. So let's get started.
I started by putting her hair in a high ponytail and I wrapped her elastic band with her hair just to cover that. I put a little gel. Anything I mentioned in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. What you're going to do is divide the ponytail in half. The next step is to separate this into a smaller section, like this. This will be thicker and this will be smaller. Okay? You're going to do the same thing on this side of the ponytail, making the inside of this ponytail thinner than the outside. You want to make sure that these two have the same amount and then the outer two have the same amount too. So your section should look like this. The next step is to take a section of the outer side and you want to go under that section. Then over this section here and then under, and you're going to connect it with this. So you're going to go under, over, under, connect. Now on the right side, you're going to take a section of the outside layer, go under, over, under, then connect. And that is all there is to it with this braid. It's all repeated. Again, you're going to go and take the outer side of the left, go under, over, under, connect to this section here. Just going to go and repeat it all the way down to the end. So when you go ahead and go under, over, under, make sure that you flush it up to the top of the ponytail, make sure it's tight, and then you just keep continuing on. I'm just going to stop here. I'm just going to spread this out. And I'm going to just tug the outside of this just to give it some volume and some thickness. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this elastic band with her hair using a topsy-tail. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it.
If there's a style that you'd like us to recreate, leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. To see more of our styles, click on over there and there.
We love you guys, and until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye.